Good morning, dear students. Today I am going to explain you about preposition. What is preposition? Before I explain you about preposition, I want to say you something. See here, English is judged by preposition. English language is always judged by preposition. It tells us about the importance of using the right preposition. What it tells? It tells the importance of using the right preposition. So you have to be very careful while writing the preposition. So here, now what is preposition? Preposition is a word which is placed before noun or pronoun. Preposition is a word which is placed before noun or pronoun to show relationship between them. Which relationship? It placed before noun and pronoun to show the relationship between preposition and noun and pronoun. So here are some examples. See here, cat, table, on. So cat is on the table. This is noun, isn't it? Cat is noun and table is noun. So what is here? Preposition is on. And how? What we are showing here? Here we are showing the cat which it is sat on the table. So cat is on the table. Cat is under the table. Here the preposition is changed. The cat is under the table. Next, cat is beside the table. Cat is beside the table. Okay, so here the cat is where it is beside the table. There are two types of prepositions. One simple preposition and another one compound preposition. One is simple preposition and another one is compound preposition. In simple preposition we use this one: in, on, to, of, for, with, by, from, up, down, at, through, till, under, upon, beside, into and near. With the use of these prepositions, you have to frame the sentence. One or two examples I will show you. See here. My book is on the table. Here is the usage of on. See here. Here is the usage of. The ring is made of gold. The ring is made of gold. The next one. By. There is a house by temple. There is a house by temple. Like this you have to use all these prepositions to frame the sentence. Now, what is compound preposition? It is made by the addition of a, on and be, by before a preposition. A, on and be, by before the preposition. Here are some prepositions of compound preposition: about, behind, without, above, across, within, beside, between, inside, outside, before, against, into. Okay, now see here. Here are some examples. About. Naina is about to be married. Next, behind. Principal walked close behind me. Behind me. Without. Police comes to rescue me without fail. Okay, like this you have to frame the all sentences using the compound preposition. Okay, now double preposition. What is next? Double preposition. In this one we have to use out of, throughout, without, within, upon. Like this you have to use the preposition in double prepositions. Okay ma, I hope you understand this. In next class I am going to tell you about conjunction. What is conjunction and how we have to use it.